This preview is for the 10-frame count game in Numbers and Objects to 5. You can select Test Drive, go ahead and click on Kindergarten, and it's actually one of the first objectives. So under Counting and Cardinality, Numbers and Objects to 5, you can select Test Drive once again, click with Open Access, and once it loads, you can double check that we're on the right grade level, Kindergarten. Go ahead and click into the objective. From the objective, we want to actually select Module 2, which is Numbers to 5. And then in the 4 games, we want to select the last game, which is 10-frame count. And in that, we want to select Level 1. Level 1 really should be enough to get our students through the other 3 levels that come after it. So here, I would ask students to notice a couple of things. One, there's not much going on this screen, except for the circles that are in these boxes. And there's also a little hand. The hand is pointing to the same number of circles that appear in these boxes above. So there are 1, 2 circles, and this hand is pointing to the second box. That must mean that these circles drop into these boxes so that Gigi can go across the page. So here, I would ask students, what do you think is the next step? What did you see happened in the last example? When we clicked the second box, what happened? So let's select the same number of boxes that there are circles. There are 1, 2, 3 circles, which must mean that we need to select 1, 2, 3 boxes. When I select that, the line goes above it, the circles drop down, and Gigi is able to cross the screen. What happens if we select too many boxes? So say I was clicking around and I accidentally clicked 3 boxes. Uh-oh, Gigi's not able to cross because she doesn't have enough boxes. So now we know that we need to make sure the number of circles matches the number of boxes. We have 1 circle up here, so we can select 1 box, and it fits perfectly, completing the line, so Gigi is able to cross. I would do a few examples with the class as a whole, with some student volunteers, and then have students proceed on their own.